There is an easy way to test which strength exercises work well for your client's hamstrings by measuring how well their muscles contract and how much they contract during a loaded movement. Place sensors on the biceps femoris and semimembranosus tendinosus of both hamstrings. In this video, we will test 5 exercises in total. Let's begin testing our first exercise. We will start with 35 kilo lying leg curls. Ensure you test the same number of repetitions for each exercise and use loads that create an equal challenge for your client across all exercises. Next, we will test 52 kilo seated leg curls. Ensure your client does not wear loose shorts that can pull on the sensors and cause signal artifacts. Use leg wraps for the hamstrings if necessary to anchor the sensors to the skin. Now we will test Nordic hamstrings. Ensure your client has good form and range of motion during each repetition. Next, we will test 40 kilo stiff leg deadlifts. Tempo is key here to ensure mechanical stress is placed on the hamstrings. Lastly, we will test single leg hamstring sliders. 5 repetitions for each side, once again focusing on the same exercise tempo for each leg. Let's review the data. Compress your data by closing your fingers on the iPad screen. Place selections over each exercise recording and set the amplitude view to rectified. This lets you assess the level of muscle contractions for each exercise. Take note of the levels of microvolts for each muscle during each exercise. When you find which exercise created the most amount of visible muscle activity volume, make that exercise the maximal and select data volume. Now you can review your client's data and gain insight into how the various exercises target their hamstrings. Discover which exercises work best for them. Assess for imbalances between legs, or consider how coaching and technique changes may influence their muscle functioning. Take your personal training and exercise physiology business to new heights using MR EMG.